see that the Bartol Mag-Probe solenoid valve and relay tester is chemical resistant and salt and moisture proof. Now, it can be used underwater, around salt water with no negative effects, which makes it invaluable in cargo shipping industry and also other industries, offshore oil rigs and places like that. In many applications in industry today, resistance to chemicals is very important, and test equipment must be of a much higher standard. Now, I understand you really take pride at Bartol Research in manufacturing the Mag-Probe and its resistance to most chemicals, and it is salt and moisture proof. Now, this is accomplished by manufacturing the tester as a completely self-contained and sealed unit. Is that correct?
Yeah, it is. And the reason for that is so we could use it in explosive environments. So it's intrinsically safe. That is, it's so well sealed, and the voltage is so low and the current is so low, it's down into milliamps is all you use to make the LED operate. So you don't have any problem with that. But as far as the chemicals go, any chemical can eat up any material. But basically, we were after salt water, salt spray, and some of the basic chemicals they use in manufacturing, but we haven't had any problem with that at all. In fact, sometimes they got so saturated with chemicals around them in oil companies and refineries and oil drilling operations that they were looked quite ugly, quite black, but they still operated. That was the main thing. It was absolutely safe, and that's why it's sealed.
Okay, well, I understand that in clean rooms, one of the main chemicals used to sterilize products going in and out of clean rooms is isopropyl alcohol. So it doesn't really have any issues with isopropyl alcohol. Is that correct?
No, it didn't. In fact, we submersed it in isopropyl alcohol for at least a half a day or a full day, actually. We did that. 4 units directly in isopropyl alcohol, absolutely no problem. But the beautiful, it will kill most of the germs, but for those applications, like for in space labs where they work on equipment, and they have these massive clean rooms where they have the rocket engines and all that. They work wearing bunny suits, and have to go through clean rooms and everything. This doesn't have any problem with that. You can go right into those units, and if some of they need sterilization, which is they use a cold sterilization process, which they use in hospitals. You can use the same process, and you can just dip it in that solution and take it right into the environmentally clean and sanitized space.